Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel, and today we are creating an office, a beautiful office in this cardboard box. I've used foam board as the flooring and decorative paper for the walls, and also a picture of a rock with trees on it, and that's going to be the window effect. I have some transparent paper which I marked with a marker to make the window effect. So I just want you to watch the creation of this beautiful, beautiful office. I bought these at the dollar store. They're organizers. You know, the type of organizers that you put your staples and your clips in. Those are the compartments. But I'm using it as a shelf in this office. The clock is an antique little clock that I have, a miniature, as well as the books there. And I made my own books out of adhesive squares. And a little piece that looks to me like a printer, and it was part of a machine, so I'm using it as a printer. And now we will add the rest of the pieces. Now, what office does not have a water cooler? You know how I made this water cooler? I took a box, I covered it with duct tape, and that's a perfume bottle. A perfume bottle, it's like some type of clear perfume. So that's going to be the water cooler right there. Right there. Then we're going to add some other pieces to the office. Right there. And one of the main features of this office is this desk. Now, this is a piece of metal in addition to this other piece of metal, which I got a hold of, and I saw a desk, and that inspired me to create this office. So I'm going to put this here like that. Okay. Then I'm going to place another piece over here. That's just another metal piece right there. And along that other side, I have another organizer here. Another organizer to finish off the other side of the wall. And then I have a small calendar here. Okay, so what else? Look at what I have here. A chair. Now that chair, I got it from my miniature dollhouse settings, and I'm using it here. But before I do that, let's add the main piece to this desk. And do you know what that is? What desk does not have computers? What desk does not have computers? Look at these beauties. I got these at Michael's, and they are perfect for this area here. And I'm gonna tuck in the battery compartment. There. Wow. It couldn't come in any handier. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, we're not finished yet. Just have a little patience. I'm putting the things in. And there's a phone here, look. We're adding foam. We're adding a little lamp. Isn't it starting to look like an office already? I added a book there. Then, you know, there's always the decorations on the walls. Look at that. That's like a little horse from a chess set. And I have another piece right here, which wants to fall down. There you go. Right there. So you got two nice pieces. Now, we are not done. Okay? There's always room to place things on the walls. And in this case, we have a nice frame. So we're gonna cover this wall here with that frame. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a sec. Okay, there you go, right there. And then I will place another one on this side. Oh my God, it's looking beautiful. I love it. Look at that. Oh my God. What a transformation, right? Look at that. Beautiful. Let's see. What else did I miss? Look. I have a wastebasket right there. And let's move this desk a little bit over here without messing anything up. Okay. What else? I have a little stool here, right there. If you see it. Then I also have a mouse pad, which I'm going to place here, right there. What else? I have another little calendar right there. And what else? I had something else. Can't think of it right now. Anyway, I think this is it. Look at that. It has its own light. A window back there. Look at that. We're gonna have to get some Dunkin' Donuts coffee in here in this section. But maybe that'll be in another video. I'll add to this, but look how beautiful it looks. Now, if you want to see the computer, let me see if I can show you. Oh, look. You see how the computers look? Wow. Beautiful. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Let's go to the front. There it goes. Thanks for watching the creation of this beautiful office.